Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve a radical equation with two variables. As per the problem, find the values of a and b. We are given the equation a plus b times square root 2 times 3 minus square root 2 equals negative 1 minus 2 square root 2. We have to solve this equation to find the values of a and b. The first step is to distribute the terms in the parentheses on the left side of the equation using the FOIL method. I get 3a minus square root 2a plus 3 square root 2b and then minus square root 4b equals negative 1 minus 2 square root 2. The right side stays the same. I get 3a by multiplying a with 3, then we multiply a and negative square root 2, then we multiply b square root 2 and 3, and lastly we multiply b square root 2 and negative square root 2. Next we can simplify the term negative square root 4b. Square root of 4 is equal to 2. I get negative 2b. On the right side of the equation, we have integer term negative 1. It is a non-radical term. There is no radical with negative 1. And there is a radical term negative 2 square root 2. So we should rearrange the terms on the left side of the equation. We can gather the non-radical terms 3a and negative 2b. So I get 3a minus 2b minus square root 2a plus 3 square root 2b equals negative 1 minus 2 square root 2. Next, we can factor out square root 2 from both terms on the left side of the equation. So I get 3a minus 2b plus square root 2. I get negative a plus 3b in the parentheses. Since negative a plus 3b is the coefficient of square root 2, we can write this term as negative a plus 3b in parentheses times square root 2. Now we can use this equation to write a system of linear equations for variables a and b. We have to compare the radical terms and non-radical terms on both sides of the equation. On the left side, the non-radical terms are 3a and negative 2b. On the right side, the non-radical term is negative 1. For this equation to be true, the non-radical terms on the left side should be equal to the non-radical terms on the right side. So our first equation is 3a minus 2b equals negative 1. Now we can compare the radical terms. On both sides of the equation, we have square root 2 terms. The coefficient of square root 2 on the left side is negative a plus 3b. The coefficient of square root 2 on the right side of the equation is negative 2. So our second equation is negative a plus 3b equals negative 2. So we equate this coefficient with this coefficient to get the second equation. This is the linear system we have to solve to find the values of a and b. We can use substitution or elimination method to solve this linear system. I will use substitution method to solve this linear system. We can isolate a from the second equation. we can move the term 3b to the right side of the equation. It will become negative 3b. Next, we can change negative a to positive a by dividing each term in this equation by negative 1. I get a equals 3b plus 2. Next, we can do the substitution for a. In the first equation, we can replace a with 3b plus 2. We can solve this equation to find the value of b. We should distribute 3 into the parentheses. We should multiply both terms by 3. I get 9b plus 6 minus 2b equals negative 1. We can combine like terms, 9b and negative 2b. I get 7b plus 6 equals negative 1. We should subtract 6 from both sides. I get 7b equals negative 7. Next, we can divide both sides by 7. I get b equals negative 1. Next, we can find the value of a. We should sub in this value of b in one of the two equations. I will use the first equation, 3a minus 2b equals negative 1. We can replace b with negative 1. We should subtract 2 from both sides. We should divide both sides by 3. I get a equals negative 1. So the values of a and b are negative 1 and negative 1. This should be the final answer for this problem. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve this problem. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.